You guys, are you ready? Are you here? I have such incredible news. Lindabradley from Princess House, our #1 selling item since it was introduced in the book literally 4 weeks ago, is our stand mixer. We've been waiting for this item forever. Let me tell you about what makes it so special. So many different things. So first of all, what you can't see is on the bottom are suction cups, so that when you put it on your counter, it stays, all right? It doesn't go anywhere. Number 2, it has a 7-quart bowl. So this is nice and large. Plenty of room for your pizza dough, your baking, meatloaf, anything that you want. It's lightweight. Sometimes those glass bowls, they're really heavy. It's really lightweight. And look, it has a handle. I love it. Also, it does lock into place, which, you know, they all do. That's not an issue. Oh, if you put it in right, it does anyhow. It comes with 3 different, I'm not looking at it, sorry. It comes with 3 different whips. So this one you can see is the one that whips things up. This is a dough hook for the pizza dough and bread and stuff. And then this is for batter. It has a splash guard. Can you see this? This is the coolest thing. So that when you go ahead and put it down to go ahead and start mixing, it's going not to come up into your face. I have a tendency when I put my flour in, it comes right back up. It has a splash guard, but it has a little extra hole down in here so that if you have to add ingredients, you can add ingredients. It's 650 watts of power. This is incredible. So I have an awesome deal for you. I'm so excited. So this is a layaway special for you, and you're going to save over $300. You can start this with just an $85 deposit and then make just 8 weekly payments of $31.79, and it's yours. It can ship anywhere in the United States. As soon as it's paid in full, it will ship. I have a bonus offer for you. I don't even think you need a bonus offer because already that's an awesome price. I'm so excited. We have a brand new mixing spatula that just came out, right? It's a brand new one. It's got the silicone on it, and it will be perfect. So the first 4 people that take advantage of the mixer, I'm going to give you this for free. So reach out to me, Lindabradley, at myprincesshouse.com. And I will get this ordered for you. I'm so excited because this is a phenomenal piece that will help you save so much time in the kitchen. You know, I never had a stand mixer before, and I thought it was only for baking. It's for way more than baking. I use it to make my breads. I use it to make pizza dough. I use it to do meatloaf. I don't get my hands all crusty anymore. I use it for meatballs. When I'm making like an Italian dish with a ricotta cheese and a mozzarella, I let it mix all that. It's amazing. So take advantage of it. You know it's Princess House. You know it's good quality. And to save over $300, yes. Start with $85, 8 payments of $31.79, and it's yours. Lindabradley at myprincesshouse.com. First 4 also get the mixer. Got me all settled now. Also get the silicone mixing tool. All right? Don't miss it.